Third is for tan 2 theta. Now we have gone through tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Now replacing theta with theta by 2, we are getting now tan theta is equal to twice of tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2. So we are having what tan theta is. First thing. Now let's find tan theta by 2 in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Tan theta by 2 in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Now we have already done that sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 2. Okay. So sin theta by 2 is equal to square root of plus minus square root for 1 minus cos theta upon 2. One thing. Okay. Similarly, cos square theta by 2, this is equal to 1 plus cos theta upon 2, and cos theta by 2 is equal to plus minus square root for 1 plus cos theta upon 2. Now from these two, 1 and let this be 2. Okay. Now from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, tan theta by 2 is equal to under the root 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So what I have taken, what I have done, I have just done it that tan theta by 2 is equal to sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. I have used this thing. Okay. Now sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2, this divided by this. So square root of 2 and square root of 2 cancels, plus minus cancels, and we are left with this thing. Now tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta by rationalization of denominator. Now what we are going to do here, for this one we are just writing 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta times 1 minus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. So upside what it becomes, 1 minus cos theta whole square upon 1 minus cos square theta. So this becomes 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta whole square with under the root. So it goes to this part. Is it clear? Now tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta, sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta, sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Now by rationalization, the numerator, by rationalization with the numerator. Now how it will be? Now I have taken 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta times 1 plus cos theta upon 1. plus cos theta. So what it will become now? On the numerator it will become sin square theta. In the denominator it will become 1 plus cos theta whole square. So taking whole square common, we are left with sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So what we have done it, number 1 we have gone through tan theta is equal to what? Then using sin square theta by 2 and cos square theta by 2, we are getting number 1 tan theta by 2 is this term, tan theta by 2 is this term, tan theta by 2 is this term. So these are the formulas which on the demand of the question we can make it. Okay, we can drive it.